All right, y'all. I am back again with the Hoover Celebrity QS, and I did kind of lubricate the top bushing a little bit, and it seems to have helped a little bit. It's definitely not a permanent fix because this will have to be dismantled and looked at. But anyway, we're going to go ahead and fire it up. We're going to clean up whatever could be left from the Dyson and Hoover test, and then the next one is going to be the DC-25 on the back porch. So here we go. I'm going to go ahead and put it on high speed. It's actually not that loud. Yeah, there's a lot of airflow with this. Oh, that, I don't want to pick that up, really. Whoops, I got it anyway. Yeah, as we can hear, it's not as bad as it was, but it's still not very great. It still doesn't sound very great when it winds down. Unless someone comes across and tells me, oh no, that's normal, it's a heavy motor or something like that. I'm still gonna see what I can do to take it apart and really check it out. But yeah, there's a nice little update on the Hoover Celebrity QS, which it's not really that quiet. I mean, it's not really that loud either. But I know it's like not as loud as some. Get this back on the Mach 3 for now, because that dart cup's just in the way. So anyway, yeah, there's the Hoover Celebrity canister. Quick update. So tell me how you liked it. Tell me what you want to see. I'll see what I can do, how I can do it, when I can do it, and if I can do it. Make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications for more content if you haven't yet. If you want to support the channel, you can do that by clicking the super thanks button and sending a super comment. You can send super chats in the live chats or super stickers. And you can also join me in the YouTube adventure by going to the About section and clicking join the adventure or whatever. But if you want to watch my content for free, you can do that as well. And until next time, bye y'all.